Hi guys, this is Subham Sharma. Today I'm going to do an unboxing video of my new helmet, that is Steelbird SBH17 Robot. Hope you guys like it. So let's start the unboxing. This looks really nice. Oh my god. So the very first thing which I like about this helmet is the design. The design looks really sexy. Actually, this is the reason why I bought this. So let's start with the features. The very best thing which I like about this helmet is the color. I really like the color, the neon green. There were many other variants which were available, but I really like this one, so I bought this. I'm really liking this. Yes, it's all working good. Okay, so the next thing which I would like to show you guys is the feature, which generally we find in around 5,000 rupees helmet, but this helmet has cost me 2,159. So 2,159 rupees this helmet has cost me, and the feature which I'm talking about is this button, the visor button. So this is a very cool feature. Okay, so the next thing which I would like to show you about this helmet is the airvents. So one out here, the next one is here, exactly on the top. You can see at the back as well. We can easily put GoPro here. Okay, so the next thing which I'm going to show you guys is the padding. Look at this. It's really soft, and we can actually use this helmet for long rides, which I really needed one. And this, we can remove it from here, from both the sides, and we can wash it and again put it back. So now let me put this on and show it to you guys. Okay, so a very good feature which I would like to share with you guys is that if you look at this two part, these are gonna glow whenever light falls on them at night. So two of my friends are already having this helmet, but a different color variant. So when I was driving from the back, I could see these parts glowing whenever a light falls on them. So this is a very good feature of this helmet as well. I hope this video was helpful to you, so do like, comment, subscribe to my channel for future updates. Thank you.